This is a brand made for Alpine Home Air Products by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of the units feature their MHT technology, which includes rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow and lanced fins for more surface contact between the coil and the air, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil from hail and other mechanical damage. Their warranty is not as good as other brands, as the heat exchanger, which is the heart of any gas furnace, is only guaranteed for 20 years. They are field convertible between horizontal and down flow and have a drain pan float switch that shuts off the unit if the condensate drain gets clogged. This prevents damage to interior spaces from condensate dripping down from the roof. The units use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The heat exchangers use aluminized tubular construction, which resists corrosion and improves heat transfer, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The BPRPGE-14 basic units combine a single-stage 13.4 SEER-2 air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace and have a single-speed constant torque blower motor. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.